Actually si Madam gikan pa rin sila sa Bohol. Unya ni anin nila sa Mindanao. Unya akong gi introduce ang among product nga MX Mangosteen Blend kay mosaka may bukid. Unya in town lagi nga wa maanad og bukid
Very high mountain. Very high.
Mao na among introduce bago sa ni ato sa bukid na inom sa siya ni.
Inom sa niyan. We already walk for almost 1 hour already climbing the mountain.
Wow, sa inani nga lugar. Oh, si grabe si Madam. Bisag inani ni ka millionaires Madam pero ni anhi pag isbukid yung tao no.
Because the money is in the mountain. We have the copper here.
Onya ang atong kuan ma'am, ang atong MX Mangosteen Blend ma'am, naro mo?
Oh, pinanindutan kayo.
Oh.
Wala problema. Daghan siya matabangan nga sakit. Pwede ni siya sa bisan unsa natay. Apil day pala siya sa hypertension sir no?
Oh, apil siya.
Oh, anti-cancer. Natay sa diabetes.
Oh.
Tanan na natong mga bisan sa constipation sir apil siya ba?
Unsa ka to imong kuan ma'am? Pangalan sa imong company ma'am?
Ang Van Construction Aggregates Trading located in Bohol.
Bohol. Tapos
My business sir is a sand and gravel for construction supplies.
Oh,
But now I shift into mining.
mining.
So that's why we are in the mountain here for our mine site where the copper is in the high mountain.
Tapos bago ka pumakyat sa bundok,
Kailangan ito sir. Pag tumakit ka sa bundok, yung energy mo talagang
grabe.
I am not walking sir even in a plain road in 10 to 15 minutes
Yes.
because I have a problem.
Mm.
So now I am walking for almost 1 hour in the mountain. You see?
Grabe.
So, that is the good news
Grabe.
of our product. So you must to take this one. All the problems for our health getting better.
Okay ma'am, thank you very much ma'am. Pero na may project sa kuan ma'am no? Sa Manila inyong project karon?
Oh, sa Manila, we have a lot of projects in different provinces in Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Mindanao. Okay, ma'am.
So I traveled a lot.
Okay, thank you very much ma'am for trusting us,
Yeah.
for trusting Captain Jerry Torigusa.
Yeah.
Because Captain Jerry Torigusa, kung hindi mo kilala, hindi ka pupunta dito.
Oo.
I think.
I cannot climb this very high mountain because of Captain Jerry. Now I am here. I am good. I am walking in the river, climbing the mountain. You can imagine that. I cannot imagine why
Okay,
I am
ma'am.
doing this now.
Okay, ma'am, thank you very much. And
Thank you, sir. Welcome.
God,
Welcome.
Solidio.
You must get this one, guys. This is a very, very good for our health.
Okay, Solidio, Gloria, glory to God
Glory to God.
alone.
Yeah.